saying he's snoring, and I asked him a question and she was like, Daddy say what Daddy say? Here's the mirror that needs to be put back over there, but we're out skiing, so we're going to Target because I got this thingy. I showed in some videos. It's like one of those scented candle things. I should probably turn it off, but there's a piece that goes in this. It's like a kind of like a parchment paper, like really thick, and I got nervous. I was like, oh my god, it's gonna burn. So I pulled it out, I threw it away, but you actually need that, and now like it won't melt, so it's like it's irritating. I had it in the hallway, but I'm babysitting, so I put it in here so she can't reach it. But I placed a pickup order for Target for a new one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swap them out and then return this one because I threw away the box. But I really want to take it to see if that's really the issue, or because in the beginning it was working fine with the baby's man. But yeah, we're gonna go to Target. I need to buy a new shower curtain liner because the one inside ripped in half last night and the water was just coming out. So like the floor right now is wet because we took a shower this morning from work. But I even want to get a new shower curtain thingy thing, but I can't find one online that I like, so I'm gonna go into Target because I still need to buy like more things. Like I want to look at the fruits, and then I want to make like the Chex Mix, so that's what we're gonna do. Made the girls pizza that I got from Target. Sorry, I did not vlog in Target. And then Lena's eating her leftover spam musubi. I just put it in this bowl with a spoon because it's so much easier than the plastic. Ready? So my dad bought these fruitcake pie things, $35. He bought 2, and I'm about to try it. Yeah, so I'm gonna break down the other 2 boxes so we can take them out. Let mommy see. I bought 2 more of these. Oh shoot, I just zoomed in. Oh Jesus. This is for their Crocs and gifts. Oh, and Play-Doh. So these Play-Doh, can mommy see really fast? These Play-Doh are for, oh, it's kind of heavy, huh? For Elea's goodie bags for her birthday party. So it's going to be on these bags. It's actually going to be really cute. I have a little sticker that goes on it. It has like the Play-Doh logo. It has this logo. There's a 3 in the background, and then where it says Play-Doh, it says Elea. So that's going to go on these bags. It's going to go in there with like some type of goodies. I don't know, I didn't get that yet. Well, I bought another one. And then we always have stock up on all of these types of things for parties, but we're running really low from Thanksgiving. I realized we're really low. So here's some cups. We're also getting a slushie machine, so these are going to be used for slushies too, because for Erza's birthday I actually made personalized cups for all the kids, but this year I ain't doing all that. I got more of these serving tray things because I just like it. It's more bigger because we always have so much food. Okay, chill out. Jesus. Yeah, oh my god. Gosh. I got napkins, and then I also got forks and table covers. Those didn't come in yet, so keep watching the vlog if you want to see more of my shiz I got. But now I'm going to put these in the recycle bin and throw away all the rubbish that these kids have made. Why are you guys putting the baby in the box?
It's fun!
Oi.
Oi.
So she whacked the baby over. I don't want to help you. No, it's your fault. It's your fault. It's your fault. No. Also, these boxes are from my mom and grandma from Vegas. From the girls. They're supposed to be 6, so one's missing. One didn't come in yet. No. You like your chicken? Elia's being a brat, so she's choosing not to eat. Oops. My food. Chicken katsu curry with potato salad. She knows. So my mom sent boxes. So this is mine. So I'm gonna hang it. It says my name. And then this is Leaky V. And then this is Aries. So here Aries gets this. Look, these are our faves. So if you guys want to send us some, you can.
This is mine?
Yep, these are yours.
Yeah. Yummy.
Look, Leaky V. From my mom.
This is mine. This is mine.
Look, you got the same ones that Mama gave you guys last year. You get another pair. Oh, look, and a book. It says, I love you through and through.
Yep. Also, Mommy, I like this.
Here, you can go put this in your room.
Who one is that?
That's yours.
But mine. I have.
See, you can see one on the wall right there. There's another one, but the tree's blocking it. It was from my mom last year. Okay, Leia's being a bad kid, so should we open hers or no? You better go find your sister's phone. No, this one is Elia's. So my mom got the same thing. Hold on. No, it's not for Lily. My mom got Paisley something.
Mommy, too bad there's no.
And then Leia got her own. Yeah.
Mommy, look how water on it.
The girls really love bath bombs and bubble bath, so I got this. They're using the red one, and then this is Aries LOL bath bomb. Maybe two more things came in for Leia's party. Please turn it off. The forks came in, and then this is supposed to be the table cover, but I expected it to be thicker. Like, what is this? Just a runner? It's gonna irritate me. So I'm gonna have to put like 2 times for her birthday party. I also just made some Chex Mix. I used honeycomb, pretzels, bugles, and rice churks. Some of the things are still out. I used Rose Austin C's recipe. It's bomb. I've done it before. Show them your Play-Doh. I did show them your Play-Doh already. We showed them yesterday. Okay. And I already used the whole box, so this is for my next batch. It's in the oven. Can't believe it's gonna take an hour. I got my glucose done today. I also got things. Sorry, I'm blocking Licky's fat body. I also got things for Aries goodie bags. Tomorrow's her last day of school. What? No, you're not opening that. It's for your birthday party. Don't mind Aries Cycles bag. No, I'm not opening it, Ela. It's for your birthday party. No. Scared? No, I'm not carrying. Can you see the helicopter? Oh, that's not a helicopter. Just kidding. Where did it go? There's a helicopter. So someone that lives on the first street said that one of Erze's classmates' mom that lives on the first street is saying that cops came to her house saying that they're looking for someone and he's possibly armed. And we were just outside looking at the helicopter, but now all my freaking neighbors on the street is all outside looking at the helicopter too. And cops passed by our house too. So I'm kind of freaking out, and Ari finishes school in like 8 minutes. I don't care what to do. I'm kind of scared. Like, do I tell those people that there's possibly somebody armed running around the neighborhood? I don't know. I'm waiting to see the helicopter again. It was like right above our house and it was so loud. Oh my god. So I don't hear the helicopter no more, but Licky just left to go pick up Erze, and I was on the phone with my neighbor, and then she said, because her house is that corner so she can see this main road, and she said there's a cop parked right in the middle of the road. And then as we were talking, a forerunner, one that didn't have the police light, so it's like a, I guess, a undercover, he didn't have police uniform on either, he passed her house and I could see him. He was on the radio and he was slowing down at each house, looking into each house. So I mean, I don't know. Licky just left in the car to pick up Erze. I don't know if she's on lockdown. The mom of Erze's classmate never called me back, so I have no idea what's happening. But I told Licky he needs to pick her up because she finished at 1:30. It's 1:34 right now. And Leia, I don't know, she's being really dramatic. Like, I guess she's sensing how we're talking and how I was kind of freaking out in the beginning. But I feel fine, calm now. But she keeps telling me to carry her and that she's scared. But yeah, I don't know. It's kind of, that's creepy. I don't know what's happening. But it's quiet now. I don't hear the helicopter. Yeah, I don't hear it now. I don't know. Date. Cops just passed the house again. And Licky and Erze's not home yet. In the midst of the chaos, I was just talking straight with my neighbors. But Chex Mix are ready. Still waiting for Licky to get home. And I'm getting really nervous because I feel like he's taking forever. The police is here. And the helicopters are still here as well. So today's Er's last day. I did something very simple because I just wanted simple, but I bought the freaking wrong size bags. It was too small to fit the cup, but it was so cute. So I just cut it like that, and then I like taped the straw to the back. Some of it's kind of falling apart, but you know what it was. So for our classmates, she's not allowed to bring food or any type of snack, so that's what we got. Zam. Ready? Yeah. I failed at recording yesterday. But we went to Genki with Sam and Daniel for dinner, and then we got home. And then in the middle of the night, maybe like, well, I'm in the middle, maybe around like 7:30, 9 o'clock, I could hear the fire alarm going off, and I'm like, what the heck? And then I can start to smell like smoke, not smoky smell. Look, guys, my dad decided he wanted to warm up the Chex Mix, and he freaking burnt them. So what the hell? So I have one pan left. Luckily, he decided to warm up the one that had a little bit in it and not waste my big pan. Oh my goodness.
Bowling, they were so mean to me. I still don't even know why. They would leave me no.
A little something for our teachers. Don't mind the cigar bag. It's the only bag I have. Vlogging today, but my pan freaking cracked and leaked. It cracked on me. Yeah. My dad came home with food. Crab, spicy pork. I made hamachi kema for dinner, I can't remember what it's called, but it's hamachi. And I'm excited. And I looked up a lot of, sorry, Elena's mad because I had to put her in the playpen. Because the girls are going to eat on the table, and if not, she's going to climb and touch everything. $5.50. But look, it's like falling apart, the meat part, look, the hair. Okay, you can't hear me. What? I'm in the girls' room because, like I said before, this has my desk and like my Cricut and then my printers. Right now, I'm really trying to print shipping labels. And then I have to get out a Cricut order. I mean, not a Cricut order. An Etsy order. But USPS is just giving me such a hard time. Okay, anyways. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And peace out.